Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today you guys, I'm back with another video.
I'm out for my grandmother. I can wait for hours. When that comes in, her on be like, what's this? I say my auntie.
Auntie who?
Monique did it.
Today we are doing a custom order. So we're gonna go ahead and lay these bad babies down. Y'all let me go ahead and grease up these hands. You gotta make sure you keep them hands moisturized, because I tell you, boy, it takes everything out of you. But okay, you guys, let's go ahead and lay out these pieces real quick. You know your girl had to be extra. I went out and pulled out everything. Okay, that's a piece made by me, another piece made by me. Okay, we have a heart. I'm gonna just put out everything, y'all. Now mind you, I don't put everything on the cell phone case. I just take out, and I don't know why I do this, y'all, because putting it back is a headache. Okay, it's really a headache. But God willing, y'all know once I move, I'm gonna be more organized and stuff like that. I'm gonna have more space. I'm already like organized, but I just need more space so I could just like grab from right there, and it ain't too far from me, you know. So yeah, we got another. So we have needles, 2 needles. I thought I had 2. Okay, we got a band-aid. We got a real small band-aid, because I want to fit as many pieces as I possibly can. So if you could tell, you know, I got a lot of different pieces in different sizes. I have her 3D rose flower that she wanted, and I had this cute little nurse thing. I don't think I'm going to put on there, so I'm just going to put that back. Of course, you know, I got to stamp it. And then I had these little pills. So I got this little pill thing, and then I had like these little pill things as well. And then I also had this pen, which I thought was really cute to go like that. Okay, so let's go ahead and start trying to place these pieces on this case. Okay, you guys, so I switched it up a little bit, but here it is. And these are the rhinestones and pearls that I'll be using. I'm going to go ahead and pour some out. This mixture is so freaking cute. I think that's probably all I'm going to need. Probably not even that much. So I'm going to go ahead. I didn't glue my pieces yet. I'm going to glue my pieces, and then we're going to get the blinging. Guys, this bad baby is done. Let's go ahead and tear back that plastic and that paper. I really don't have it on too many things this time, because a lot of my pieces are customized. I made them myself. And that's the kids in the background, y'all. That's the kiddos. give this video a thumbs up. Be sure that you guys are subscribed and that those post notifications are turned on. And until the next video, bye-bye.